Hi to everyone.
Muna, pitit. Pitit muna.
Hi.
Jack it up.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. It's already 11 o'clock and I'm not even ready. We're gonna drop my mother-in-law to her lunches. Hold on guys. The lenses is really dirty. So we're gonna drop her off and then probably my husband going for a haircut. And I'm just sorting some stuff that I found in the basement yesterday. And this one is very strong bag. I probably put some coins over here because we have a lot of coins. I'm kind of confused right here guys. So yeah, good morning guys. I para naman aatin ako ng parating ito. Hindi naman. Ay, iwan ko ba nagmi-make up ako. Gusto ko lang. Anyway. I don't know where's the dog. I think they're in the kitchen. Are you in the kitchen? Are you in the kitchen? Ay, it's 12 o'clock. This is my thing when it comes 12 o'clock. Tommy just left the TV here. Okay, I want to kill this TV, guys. Oh, we got the package already from the Basil Crosswave Basil Crosswave. It's a vacuum cleaner. It's really good vacuum cleaner. And I'm uploading a video and I don't know, Tommy is going to the bank. He deposited it. That's good. What else? We need to send the bill. There's a lot of bills guys that need to be sent. Our appointment is later tonight. You guys are sleepy. Appointment later tonight. Later this afternoon. I think it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And yeah, so we're gonna go drive over there. I'm gonna have some lunch. I think I'm going to have. I like my makeup, guys. I have salmon, very little, and of course my happy ending rice. Yeah, so this is my lunch, rice and salmon, and the dog just staring at me like they're so freaking hungry. We're leaving guys. I just bring this towel that I wash. Hold on guys, hold on. I have to close the gate. The dog can't get in. So Tom is outside and the dog is outside. And, yeah, I just put this in the car. Ready to go. Hold on guys. Okay. It's right there. Okay, I guess I'm gonna let them in para makaalis na kami. Ako sana ang magdadrive guys, kaso sabi niya siya lang daw ang magdadrive kasi ayaw ko siyang mapagod. I don't want him to get tired. So I said I'll drive home, coming back home. I'm leaving. Bye. Well, Mama will be right back later tonight, okay? So, it's not close. The door is not close. So, let's go. Let's go. Take baho. Take. Guys. What is this in here? Seems like there's so many stuff. Huh?
From the conference. Just a couple sticky pads.
Conference?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And when you drive, when there's a lot of heavy thing in your car, it's different, right? It's kind of the car.
Well, there's things to watch. Yes, it's a little bit different, but things you gotta watch out for is the more weight on the car. It doesn't stop as well.
Doesn't stop quick, right?
Right, because you got more weight pushing.
Oh, okay.
So I mean, this is really not enough weight that it should be a problem.
Yeah, well, that's really.
I don't know what the hell they meant.
I guess.
Yeah.
They're digging some stuff in there. And Tommy have a haircut. He dropped his mother and then ran to the favorite barber. It's not even a barber salon. But that's their favorite hair cutter. The same with my mother-in-law and him. They don't even. One time Tommy went to different hair cutter in Florida. He liked it. He cut it. She cut it the same. It's just.
No, I like a lot of people the way they cut my hair better. But friends are friends.
Forgot. Where is the meal? This is it. Okay. Where are we gonna drop it?
Yeah, we'll drop it somewhere. Really, it's 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
Need some traffic. We're not gonna be there on time, so I don't really have time to like screw around. There's a post office right there.
There is.
Yeah, right. If you go all the way to the last street where you turn. There's a little post office on the left side.
Not gonna be cold up here, guys. It's a little kind of chilly, but it's not really like bad because it's a nice day today. Nice day. You can find. I have a cellophane right here. I don't know where it is. I can't find it. Did I bring it with me?
What are you looking for?
Ah, it's right there. The cellophane.
Cellophane. You call everything cellophane.
There's something in there. A camera mount for the dashboard. Why is that a problem, man? When I said
Whenever you call everything cellophane, so I have no idea what you're talking about.
like a dashboard over here.
Plastic bag is cellophane. A Ziploc bag is cellophane.
Yeah, of course. That's how we do it, Filipino.
Yeah, plastic you call cellophane.
Cellophane, because that's we call it cellophane, guys. Filipino call everything cellophane. What if it's a plastic bag? Call it cellophane. Everything is cellophane. Why? What is the cellophane here in America?
Actually, sheets of cellophane. It's actually a type of plastic.
Oh.
Very thin.
Oh yeah, that's the cellophane. And everything is like baggy, like a, thin or, like transparent cellophane.
Huh?
That's a brand name.
Brand name?
I think it's I don't know if it's a brand name cellophane.
No, product. It's a type of product.
It's a type of product, okay. The lipstick that I'm wearing right now is the Rimmel London Provocalypse Fire. I think it's Fire, the name.
Let's see.
Another.
Hooker red one.
It's red.
That's it. Is it hooker red?
Hooker red. No, it's a Fire. Something, I don't know, guys. I'm not sure anymore the name. But this is the lipstick that it's kiss proof. It won't transfer nothing. You know that I eat already?
Hey, what?
Rice and salmon.
Let me stop it.
Because you don't come back quick.
You told me to get my haircut.
Yeah, but so now look, you have a
Told me,
nice
get your
haircut.
haircut when you go out.
So now you have a nice haircut. Nice haircut, my love. So guapo. You know what, guys? He is the best. The best. You know, every person said, no, I'm not the best. But you know what? Your partner, you know better. Your partner, your spouse, especially when you're together, even though there is some misunderstanding, argument sometimes.
That's right. Come back tomorrow. She'll say, he's such an asshole.
But you know in your heart that you can find another person just like him. And just like your partner. And, I'm sure not just me. There's few people out there that they found the one. And my baby is the one. Oh, that guy is coming.
I'll come quick enough to stop you from coming over. All the trees went to sleep for the winter.
Yeah.
They'll wake up again in the spring.
Everything is empty-headed. Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa sa oil company na inano namin kasi somebody went to the house to put oil in the tank. They sent Tommy an email to come over to stop by here to just speed here. And yeah, so now yeah, we're here. We're close to the house, so it's not really that far. It's freezing. I have to turn the heater. How can I turn the heater on?
There's a little temperature.
Higher?
How do I release this handle now that I snapped it in there? That's bizarre. How does the handle snap out?
Handle of what?
Let's get this off. This handle.
To make it higher?
No, the handle went in and locked.
Oh, went in and locked.
How much do you want to take it out?
I have to water this plant. And this plant, they're still alive, guys! Yeah, look, the book. Santa Claus is coming to town. Cable on. TV on. I don't know. Okay, it's on now.
There's nothing like the feeling of snuggly softness. But the more technology, it doesn't just mask the odor, it helps eliminate it and releases snuggly freshness.
Nice. It spin really fast. Is there anything already in there, like water or anything? The box for the it's right here. Multi-surface. Oh, they have a separate. I thought it's the same thing with the cat thing. The dog, the basil one.
Oh, it's also a small machine. This is a different formula.
Oh. Did you see the difference, guys? The clean up over there, they clean the floor. You can tell the difference. They sell wave something. Let's have a good review. And yeah, so I guess my husband want coffee. He turned the coffee. No milk, guys. No milk! Tommy, no milk! Hi guys! Insert shout out. And Tommy also did a shout out. Just watch it in this vlog. But anyway guys, shout out to my friend. Shout out and happy birthday. Happy birthday to Virgie Tiano from Singapore. Hi Virgie, happy birthday and enjoy your birthday. And yeah, so happy birthday. I think maybe it's belated now, I'm sorry. But yeah, so happy birthday. And also shout out to Pretty Me C. Hi Pretty Me. And also shout out to Germaline Isma. Hi Germaline. Shout out to Voni Asidelia. Hi Voni Asidelia. Thank you guys so much for watching. And shout out to Sweetie Nell. Hi guys, thank you guys so much for wanted. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you wanna be in my shout out, just please leave a message on my Facebook or leave a comment down below that you wanna be in my shout out. So yeah guys, let's keep going to the vlog. Bye. Yay! Hindi kami mag-stay dito ng matagal. Nagnunood lang ako ng Dr. Phil. I'm just watching Dr. Phil while my husband is right there fixing something. And yeah, he is so busy with coffee, I think. He's a good looking guy. You guys want to film my husband, right? We're gonna make a short shout out for, because some people like see something that, oh, can you make a small Even just a shout out for Tommy, we like it. So here you go. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna let Tommy read this.
Hi to everyone. Ranjan S. Marisol Lucero.
Yeah.
Mario Padilla.
Yeah.
Cora Jackman.
Yeah.
Liza Visual.
Yeah.
Da Makeup.
Yeah, I guess.
Elena Morgan. Nathalie Ledesma.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it?
I don't see nobody else.
Okay. So he said that's it, guys. So that's all his short shout out to you guys. That's the previous vlog. So yeah, I know you love my husband. I know you love to see him in the video. Yeah, some people said, oh, you should like, you know, put him more in my vlog, in this vlog, because
But you don't have a camera in your face.
and sometimes he like to talk, sometimes he's not. He's in the mood, so I'm not gonna keep forcing him every time I vlog. He's not around with me all the time anyway, so if he's around, I always like, you know, try to do something. But yeah, I know you guys doesn't wanna really see me. You just wanna all see Tommy. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Bye, guys.
Oh my God, here's Scotch. Can I unplug this Verizon, Han?
Okay.
Okay, I can now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's right here, Han.
What?
This is what we've been looking for. The dog.
What?
It's your fault. I need this. I need this for my dog. They need the color because they don't listen. They just keep barking, guys. So we're leaving the house. We just came here to just meet the guy and then leave. It's sad that we're sleeping here for one night, but obviously we can't. So that's why we can't. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go driving. I probably will see you in the other house because I will be driving, and so I will see you in the other house. I'm gonna have Cheerios. Oh, Cheetos, scrunchy. You know, when I feel like having something, I'm gonna just munching it, just munching. Oh, we don't have enough space inside because look, the TV box, it's taking the whole back space, so there's no space. So I'm gonna drive. I will put this open for me, ready to munchy. Ready to munch. Yeah, like that. Because I like to munch. Oh. Hi guys, we're home. I'm trying to use this one, the Jabra headset. I got this for Tommy like 4 years ago, 5 years ago. This one, because he liked to use this when he's working. He was working the other. He liked using this, but this one he just like dump it somewhere. I'll use it. It's really nice one. It looks like an alien look. This one is you put in your ear. I try to use it, but it's not working. I'm just making a lamb for them for dinner, and me, I'm still to figure out what I'm gonna eat, and that animals eat also.
Oh yeah, well, they're so expensive I can live without. But I don't see ways around it.
Roxy, come here. What are you doing?
While she's working, she wants to have a cigarette. She got to drive.
I see you doing something. What is it? Can you tell me what you're doing? This is how much no? Boom, toot, 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 toot. You're so cute. We're gonna have dinner, guys. Leftover from yesterday. Container from frozen lamb I made for my baby and his mother. You know what I have because I don't eat lamb? Leftover sausage with salad. And the salad is the best.
Yes, the warrant is on its way.
Buna, pitit. Pitit, buna.
Fine.
And na-charge this again. Sina-charge ko to, but I don't understand why it doesn't charge properly. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. Hi guys, good evening. Last night I was watching a show. Tommy introduced me to the show, and then I end up watching it until 2 o'clock because it's really good show. It's good behavior. That's it. That's a good behavior. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And kisses for your forehead. No, this time it's not in your forehead. Kisses to your ears. Good night, guys. Guys, try to open the fridge. Your shirt really spoiled, crap.